Hello everybody, my name is Lee, welcome back to another video. Just a side note, just to make things clear, that this was recorded on Thursday the 14th of August. So, during the first 2 weeks of August, there were rail replacements being provided in Aylesbury between the hours of 8:30 am and 3:15 pm. This was just because HS2 were doing some work on the line towards Prince's Risborough. Normally, with Chiltern Railways rail replacements, this will obviously mean local operators like SN66 Transport and Vale travel. But during this period, there was none of that. There were two services. The first service was the main service. This ran from Prince's Risborough to Little Kimble, Aylesbury, and Aylesbury Vale Parkway, even though normally the Prince's Risborough services don't go to Aylesbury Parkway. Apparently, it's just because there's more space at Aylesbury Parkway to terminate, because you can't really terminate properly at Aylesbury. The other service was a shuttle service just between Prince's Risborough and Monks Risborough using a minibus. This is just because of the road layout leading up to Monks Risborough station. During this period, though, on the Monks Risborough shuttle, it was basic. Transport bus on the second week, 5-star cabs of Birmingham on the first week, using minibuses. But on the Aylesbury Vale Parkway to Prince's Risborough services, this was provided fully by Stagecoach. That's right, you heard me, Stagecoach in Aylesbury. Something that doesn't happen often, only happens when there's rail reps. You probably think, okay, Lee, it's probably just going to be Oxford Depot then. Nope, there was none of that. It was Stagecoach South, Stagecoach Midlands, and the company that I got, Stagecoach East Midlands. And I'll get to why. The reason why is because Stagecoach Oxford is now fully electric. They don't have a lot of spares at Oxford Depot, let alone at the other depots in Banbury. So there's just no spares going around. So, of course, that means, obviously, Stagecoach Oxford is out of the question. The next operator available in my area is, of course, Stagecoach Midlands. But again, they don't have that many spares. Midlands did take a mega bus, but that was it. So the next best bet was Stagecoach South, and this has happened in the past. So they bought a couple of E-Trans MMCs branded for Route 23 in Portsmouth. There were 3 of them. Oh, lovely buses. They had next stop, I must admit. They were really interesting buses. Stagecoach East Midlands also bought a bus. On that last day, which was the Thursday the 16th, which was Thursday the 14th of August, sorry, was ADL Enviro 400 MMC 10746, SN66 VXP, which is based at Lincoln Depot. So I recorded this on the very last rail replacement of the service of the day, the 15:15 from Prince's Risborough to Aylesbury Vale Parkway. Obviously I rode it all the way, but I only recorded it from Little Kimble to just outside Mandeville station. Even though we didn't stop there, I stopped it there because of space constraints. But sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride on Stagecoach East Midlands, based at Lincoln Depot, ADL Enviro 400 MMC SN66 VXP 10746 on a Chiltern Railways rail replacement bus service.
It's black and white. It's black and white.